Welcome to Factory. Today, we'll discover the incredible journey of chocolate, from cocoa trees to the delicious bars we all enjoy.
Chocolate begins on cocoa farms, where cocoa trees grow in warm tropical climates.
Only fully ripe cocoa pods are selected to ensure the best flavor and quality.
Experienced farmers carefully harvest each pod by hand.
The harvested pods are collected and taken to the processing area. Inside every cocoa pod are fresh cocoa beans covered in sweet white pulp. The beans are removed by hand and prepared for fermentation. Fermentation develops the rich chocolate flavor that people love. After fermentation, the beans are dried naturally under the sun. Now the cocoa beans are ready to begin their journey to a modern chocolate factory.
The dried cocoa beans arrive at the factory, where their transformation into chocolate begins. Every batch is carefully inspected to ensure only high-quality beans move forward.
Advanced cleaning machines remove dust and unwanted materials before processing.
The beans are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures to develop their rich chocolate aroma. After roasting, the beans are cooled to preserve their flavor and quality.
The roasted beans are cracked into smaller pieces for the next step. The shells are separated, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs, the heart of chocolate. The cocoa nibs are finely ground into a thick, smooth cocoa paste.
This rich cocoa paste, also called cocoa liquor, is the foundation of every chocolate product.
The cocoa liquor is now ready to be blended with other ingredients to create delicious chocolate. The cocoa liquor is blended with sugar, cocoa butter, and milk powder to create the perfect chocolate recipe. Powerful mixers ensure every ingredient is evenly combined for a rich and consistent taste. The mixture is refined until it becomes incredibly smooth and silky.
Experts carefully check the texture to make sure every batch meets high-quality standards.
During conching, the chocolate is mixed for hours to develop its smooth texture and rich flavor. Specialists test every batch to ensure the chocolate has the perfect flavor and aroma. The chocolate is tempered through controlled heating and cooling to give it a glossy finish and a satisfying snap.
Now the chocolate is smooth, shiny, and ready for shaping. One final inspection ensures the chocolate is ready for the next stage of production. The chocolate is now ready to be poured into molds, where it will take its final shape. The perfectly tempered chocolate is poured into precision molds to create its final shape. The molds are gently vibrated to remove air bubbles and create a smooth finish. The chocolate slowly cools inside a temperature-controlled tunnel until it becomes solid. Once fully set, the chocolate bars are carefully removed from their molds. Every chocolate bar is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Automatic wrapping machines seal each chocolate bar to keep it fresh and protected. Important product information is printed on every package for safety and traceability. The wrapped chocolate bars are packed into boxes, ready for shipment. Every chocolate bar is made with care, quality, and strict food safety standards. The finished boxes are stacked onto pallets for safe and efficient transportation. The chocolate is now packaged and stored, ready to be delivered to stores around the world. The packaged chocolate is loaded onto delivery trucks and begins its journey to customers.
The chocolate is transported safely to distribution centers across the country.
Distribution centers organize the chocolate before sending it to retail stores. Fresh chocolate arrives at supermarkets, ready for customers to enjoy.
People of all ages choose their favorite chocolate from the wide variety available.
Chocolate brings smiles and sweet moments to people around the world.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey inside a modern chocolate factory. From cocoa farms to factory production, every step plays an important role in creating delicious chocolate. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AH Factory. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next factory documentary. Thanks for